Yes, good morning, everybody. Previously on Kimba TV. So, obviously, could it come down here and still be bullish? Absolutely. It might go down there once, and then it might go again to sweep two. Even if we're completely wrong and this motherfucker nukes tomorrow, worst case scenario, I make like 45 or 50K instead of like the 130 that I want or whatever. So, well, it's either going to be sweep 28, go. Sweep the up, go. I think, you know what's crazy is all the gamma is set for today, but the options are expiring tomorrow. All right, y'all, 20 seconds. GDP coming out, GDP coming out. 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. Sato, have mercy, here we go. Oh, snapped it, okay. We want this, we want the debate. Oh, shit. Okay. We missed it. GDP is 2.6. GDP is lower. It don't matter. America. GDP came in lower. Unemployment numbers came in higher. Only by 2,000 though. Okay. It's just, okay. Well, that's a goofy ass GDP right there. GDP stands for goddamn pathetic. That is so bizarre. Option flow is basically non-existent. Okay, so this is phase 2. If it doesn't make a higher high or a lower high, I want it to scam dump first though. Don't pump first, por favor. Get your coffee. It's at 47. Okay, so the only thing that we have, unless they do something here, is it's gonna be a gap. There you go. Well, you better not get wrecked. You know who's gonna get wrecked? Everybody that is getting debated by the non-volatility. Don't get debated by the non-volatility. This is a thing. You got to be thinking it's gonna open with a huge gap, and it's also gonna have this from yesterday. So I think what we want is, I just want a higher high during phase 2, and then when markets open, we'll have to see if it counters it. Because I want this to scam dump first so that we don't have such a big gap when we open in 40 minutes or 50 minutes or whatever. So 40.30 is where we need AES to fall to. Let's see if it does. They're going to use this gap. How we doing, everybody? Macaulay says Wall Street day off. No. Do not get debated by this, Macaulay. They know exactly what they're doing. They're debating people. So don't fall for it. Whatever is happening, that's what they want you to see. Does that make sense? but let's just keep it simple, right? If it scam pumps first before market open, what do you think the chances are that what it does when the market's open, you know? So I would prefer that we dumped first, you know me, but yeah, I mean, so we're only in the first 9 minutes of the futures reacting to the GDP numbers, right? If this just stays like this, you know, I probably need to keep an eye on that 29.5. Hey, look at this that Bloomberg just posted, or from yesterday. We've been following the 0-day options for like all this week. Yeah, I know. Friday is gonna be crazy. There's so much money expiring. We've been following these fuckers for like the last 2 weeks. That's hilarious. Yeah, Bloomberg noticed it. Hey, we noticed it 2 weeks ago. We were like, what the fuck is going on? And now Bloomberg is writing an article about it. Yeah, and then tomorrow, like we said, man, tomorrow's options expirations are insane. It's about $2 billion worth, so. Yeah, that's what throws me off. If this fucker scam pumps and goes to 40.65, I would feel way more confident about shorting. But my retail ass is really scared about getting debated, and I don't want to take such a big, it's just awkward because the Gex flip is so low. We're kind of deviated away from where we should be. I would have much preferred this on open. I mean, at some point, this is all these crazy gaps and imbalances are gonna attract movement to the downside. Maybe dump tomorrow. I mean, Janet Yellen is talking today. Maybe like a mini dump today, pump again, and then the real nuke tomorrow. Okay, here we go. Markets are open, y'all. Let's go. Wall Street's open. What's GDP? Let's go. What's their reaction to GDP? Do they like it? Do they not? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. What you want, Wall Street? Okay, you know, I like the lack of volatility. I'm liking the lack of volatility, to be honest. It doesn't want to do a debate. I'm actually kind of liking this. Maybe we're going to get our 29 and 30. Stay above 40, 50. I'm loving the lack of volatility. Maybe it just crabs all day until Janet Yellen speaks. I don't know. What a bizarre GDP, though. What a bizarre ass GDP, man. Lahinhi, will you take this as a swing fail in 1 hour? Yeah, it could be. It could be. So this part looks like a swing fail. This part doesn't look like a swing fail. You know what I'm saying? You know, like those bodybuilders that like have a huge upper body, but then like their legs are tiny. The upper part looks like a swing fail. The bottom part does not match. Yeah, but what you know what the rule is on a swing fail? It can't get above golden pocket. So I guess you do have that qualification going on, right? When it's a swing fail, it shouldn't go above golden pocket, right? And it hasn't yet. But like if you compare all the other like swings like this, it shouldn't have. If anything, you could say that that's a swing fail too. So some like bulls might be going like this. Bulls might be going like this, and I hope we don't lose that. But even if you do lose it, you can still sweep this. So what might happen is, let's say if you do lose it, that's when you would be like, fuck, I got to close my long. But you could certainly do this. Hey, shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the Lions that long the Kimba box. You can't lose, right? Put your stop loss in profit. You can't lose. Shout outs to the Kimba Lions that long the Kimba box. Your average entry is what? 28270, 28260. You can't lose. Put your stop loss in profit. You can't lose. Well. Okay then. The verdict is still out, but I think I read the option flow pretty well. We saw there was a lot of shorts coming in. So yeah. Shorts got trapped. Yeah. So OG Lions, vets, you already know what I'm gonna do next, right? What will we do next right now? Yes, sir. Look at you motherfuckers. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. You dirty little motherfuckers. Yes. Why am I even here? Fuck it. Let's just end the stream. You guys are good on your own, right? You guys good? I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Listen up, you. Oh, it's the truth I speak. Kimba is my name, trading is my game.
Good shit. So we're not out of the woodwork yet, right? We're not out of the woodwork yet. So it has to hold. This has to hold. But you know what would be funny? And we don't even know if this is the local high, right? But so if this goes to 40-30, okay? So like let's just draw it like this, okay? Let's not do this, because you know what's gonna happen? Shorts are gonna get squeezed. It's gonna have a violent pullback, but it's gonna be bullish. And all the shorts that got stopped out, when it does this, they're going to go, fuck, I knew it. Market, bitch, fuck yourself. So let this do its thing. Let it, so you know what would be dope? This goes wherever, this goes with it. This comes back, golden pocket. You see open interest and CVD in your favor. You know what would be even sicker? Janet Yellen starts talking. Woo! And can I show this off? Can I show that off or what? Can I show that off? Can you see that? Oh, yeah. This is what she's going to be saying in an hour. Oh, hell no. They published this. I'm an idiot. Oh my God. She already had this released. Watch. They released it and then it dumped. When did this come out? When the fuck did they put this out? No, it came out today. It was not out yesterday. What if it was correlated to the dump? Is that what it started? Oh, hell no. We're all waiting for her to show up on TV and shit. Okay, well, it's all good. It is what it is. You know what some people are saying now is that the 4065 call buyers might be retail. So I guess if we're above the GEX, then I'm going to be looking for a long, but this bitch is coming back to fourth owl, I think. Well, I mean, here, so no matter what happens, right? Let's not try to do the whole predict the future shit. Okay, let's get away from that. Okay, so we have the bottom level and we have the top side level. And so for the bottom side for this, we're looking at GEX flip around 4,000. And then for the upside on this, as of right now, we're looking at something like the 4050 or 4065. Possible, yeah. So I mean, at least whatever happens, like we have the levels identified and we're gonna wait for an edge. Based off of the data and the order flow, it would seem that they want to short 4065. In the same way, Alpair, if you remember when I was calling out 3,800 and JP Morgan longing 3,800, remember that? And we drew like the dude holding the globe up and everything. So in that same way, it looks like JP might be trying to short 4065. Now, if you go back and if you remember the 3,800 JP Morgan long, not only did it take a couple days, there were a couple of moments where it did actually breach it. You know, I could like how, so what I'm thinking, and this could be retail as fuck, but I don't care. If we go back, if we go to 4065 or we breach it, then I would be looking for a correlation to this, because if this is really a sweep, then it wouldn't go above the golden pocket, yeah? And that's also kind of Kimba Crownish. It's just a little bit awkward because I don't think that's gonna be the mega nuke though. Obviously we're not trying to predict the future, but you know all that shit that I look for the mega nuke, I still don't see it. So, you know, it could be the one to take us back to 25-ish or whatever. You know, but that is the value area low, right? That's the value area low. And it's struggled quite a bit. If that is a swing fail, it shouldn't go over golden pocket. So we have a couple of things working for us, confluence, whatever, historical reference points. And so all we need is we just need S&P to kind of cooperate. But oh man, if we're retail getting debated, thinking that JP Morgan is gonna help us, so why not take a shot, right? We'll take a shot. I'm definitely not gonna be swinging for a home run on the Kraken position. I'm lowering everything down here. And you know what we can do to prevent from ourselves from getting debated? Because it's not about just hoping and thinking, right? We're gonna pay attention to the open interest levels and the gamma walls. So, you know, tomorrow morning we'll take a look at open interest and gamma when we pull up tomorrow's 0-day options. Okay, so I guess if this is going, then 4065, 4070, 4075, 4090, whatever the fuck, 4100, right? Remember that, dumbass? at a 41 hundo. So anything between 40.65 and 41 hundo, if that correlates to the thangity thang up here, then I guess I'm going to short. But not financial advice. I am an island boy. You know what the biggest confluence is for this box? Is if I was in a short, I would be getting round tripped. If I was theoretically in a short, I would be getting round tripped. So that's the biggest confluence, yeah? But yeah, so I mean, that's an interesting level. You guys caught me. Some of you guys caught me looking at that. When you guys catch me, it's like when your girl like catches you, like even if it's not like in a malicious way, but like if you're just innocently looking at like another girl's butt or something and like your girl catches you. Sometimes I won't even draw the Kimba box, but sometimes you guys will be like, you're looking too long then, aren't you? And I'm like, man, exposed. Hold on a second. Let me see if there's any gammas at like 40. Okay, see, this is what I'm fucking talking about. What are we gonna do about these shit? Look. The 41 hundo guys are coming back. It's 40.75 is building up. Shit. We better not get debated. Okay, so that's all right. So what this tells me is the correlation is higher up, meaning like 41 hundo. So that means that this could pull it down. Yeah. Motas, all right. I'm gonna let it. Oh, I've had the lettuce thing up this whole time. Let me go lettuce up real quick. I'll be right back. Oh, get nasty. Man, as soon as I walk outside, fuck, man. What? God damn it. All right, well, I'm like squinting and trying to see the charts right now. You already know, it's hard for me to see the trading view one. God damn it. All right, hold on. I gotta wet the tip. All right, I'm gonna bring my iPad with me outside. What's going on with, well, at least we're getting it. I can't believe they waited until I went outside. That's fucked up. So how many of you guys are in this thing or what? You want to see the order? Look at the order history, the way I did it. So I went 10, 10, 10, 30. I went 1, 1, 1, 3. Look at the, and then we can take a look at my, you can see my average entry, right? That is true, Project Pat. That is true. Is anybody even wondering what my TP is? Everybody knows, right? Is there anybody, and it's okay if you don't. I'm just, but we've, 100, okay, no, maybe. 69,420, yup. Okay, but in all, well, it's the big golden poquito. It's the big golden poquito because this is the 4-hour candle. If this is a true swing fail, it won't get a candle body close above the golden poquito, theoretically. So I'm probably gonna close like 60, 40%. And then let the rest run or something like that. And then if it starts to pull back, then it's going to be 382 and 05. And I might have to go short. I might actually open a short at the same time. Good, like, you know, don't forget about the confluence. We're probably going to break 40.65, right? So what is 40.75? What is 41 hundo? Snap diddly. Oh boy. I have to wrap it up, unfortunately. Saddest part of the day, I know. But we'll be back at it bright and early. I tried to stay as long as I could. 13-hour stream, not bad. If I see anything crazy, I'll pop into Discord, but you know, it's gonna be crazy overnight. So you guys stay safe, okay? I'm sure there's maybe one more violent pullback that does not invalidate the bullishness. So watch out. 40.30 is still in play, or excuse me, 40.50 is still in play too. So what would be dope is if this was going to come back to 40.50, that this doesn't dump as hard or something like that. So when it does pump from 40.50, you know, it can continue up. So, but you guys all know, all that shit. So, hey, long or short, bullish or bearish, I'm rooting for you guys. Stay safe, all right? I will see you guys bright and early. I hope to see most of you guys tomorrow. All right, stay safe. Have a great night, everybody. Peace.
Listen up, you. Oh, it's the truth I speak. Kimbit is my name, trading is my game. Become is my focus, charge all my guide. Profit is my goal, so I never step aside. It is just mathematics, a few trading tactics. Fibonacci is my mate, golden ratio on my mind. You got to respect the trend, or you'll be left behind.